Welcome to Research Fundamentals at UB, Part 5, Research Systems and Research Compliance. There are several online systems and portals that PIs will need to use to prepare and submit proposals. Today, we will briefly review some that are specific to SUNY or UB faculty, as well as those whose use is required by sponsors for proposal submissions. Here are just some of the systems that PIs can expect to use. The CLIC system that was discussed in an earlier video is a SUNY-wide system that is used for several research-related approval mechanisms. On top of being used for internal grant proposal approvals, the CLIC system is used to submit conflict of interest forms once a year and for completing the approval forms for research compliance-related subjects such as human subjects and animal research. It is also important that PIs become familiar with those applications used by sponsors for proposal application submission, such as grants.gov, which is the primary submission system for NIH proposals, and research.gov, which is used for NSF proposal submissions. Other systems, like ERA Commons and ORCID, allow researchers to connect their administrative information and publications to these submission systems. More information on each of these systems can be found at the links embedded in this slide. The Office of Research Compliance is made up of experts in human research, animal research, export control, and conflicts of interest. If your research will involve any of these types of activities, we encourage you to contact a research compliance expert. Here we have links to several of the UB office's web pages that were discussed throughout this video series, as well as to many systems and forms that will be useful for researchers at UB. This page is available in the PDF version of this presentation slide deck. Thank you for joining us for these presentations. If you have any questions, please email ubgrants@buffalo.edu.